Everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing great. My name is Raviteja. Let's solve today's Leetcode problem 744. Find smallest letter greater than target. Problem statement states you are given an array of characters letters that is sorted in a non-decreasing order and a character target. There are at least two different characters in the letters. Return the smallest character in letters that is lexicographically greater than the target. If such character does not exist, return the first character in the letters. Okay. Here if you see the target is A. Now we have to identify the first character which is greater than A. Okay. As you can see, C is the first character which is greater than A. So we will be return C. If you see the second example, target is C. Now what is the first character which is greater than C? C is not greater than C, so we'll go to the next character. F is greater than C, so we'll be returning F. Okay. If you see this example, there are no characters in the letters array which is greater than target. As a result, we will be reading the first character from the letters. Okay. If you see the constraints, letters length is up to 10 power 4 and all the characters in the letters are small and target is also a smaller case. Okay, so you can simply apply a for loop and just iterate through the letters and check whether the current letter is greater than target or not. If it is greater than target, then we'll straight away return the letter, or else we have to return the first character from the letters. Okay, so this is pretty easy. So easy problem. You can simply submit this. As you can see, all the test cases were passed. Let's also submit it. As you can see, all the test cases were also passed and it is pretty efficient solution. Before jumping into analysis of time complexity and space complexity, I highly recommend you to subscribe to my coding channel so that you won't be missing the content which I will be posting on daily basis. So let's analyze the time complexity. As you can see, we are just iterating through the letters array in a single go, and then the moment we found the letter which is greater than target, then we are simply returning out. Okay, so this would be taking of linear time complexity, which is big O of n, and where n is the length of the letters. We are not using any extra space, so space complexity will be order of 1. Okay, so since the constraints are pretty low, we have applied straightforward linear loop. Okay, straightforward for loop, and then we have done it. Okay, so if the constraints are high, then you can also apply binary search, because the elements in the letters are all in the non-decreasing order. Okay, so you can also apply binary search and also identify the problem. Okay, since the constraints are pretty low, you don't have to do over engineering. Okay, so that's all about this problem. Hit the like button and also subscribe to my coding channel. Share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Thank you.